Hi there, I'm Cy. Today, I'm reviewing this Seafoam Auto Marine Fleet motor treatment. You can see all of the many types of uses that it has and what it possibly can do for your vehicle's engine. Now, our vehicle was recently run out of gas, and since then, on hills, it's slowing down even when it's in cruise control. Other than that, the car is running great. I just wanted to point out here that the regular recommended use is 1 ounce per gallon of gas. So this is 16 ounces. You could, for example, just put 16 gallons of gas in your car total from close to empty, and then you would know that you had approximately 1 ounce per gallon. But it says here, when a greater cleaning concentration is needed, use 2 or more ounces per gallon. So I may do that on my vehicle since we actually ran out of gas. There's lots of good reviews for this stuff. So let's go ahead and add some to our gas and see if it makes a difference for us. So we're going to go ahead and add the Seafoam to the tank now. And it's got a little safety cap on there. We're going to go ahead and remove that. So I'm about to save you some time and trouble. For most people, they're probably going to need a funnel to add the Seafoam. If you look down inside this gas tank, there is this fuel filler flap, and that is not going to let you get the Seafoam past it, and that's not in the instructions. So you're going to need a funnel. We'll go ahead, put our funnel in, just like that. And now we can add our Seafoam and get it in the tank, just like that. And we've got it all in. And the final thing left to do is to go ahead and drive our car around for a couple of days and see if we can notice a difference. So I'm back to finalize this review on Seafoam. As you saw, I added it in my tank, and we've gone through about a full tank of gas and a little bit since then. And it may have made a slight improvement in the pep of our car. That being said, it did not fix the problem. It turns out that we have what's called an underboost problem with our turbocharger. And unfortunately, Seafoam won't fix that. All things considered though, our car doesn't run worse after using it. And based upon all of the positive things I've heard about it, I'm assuming our fuel system is cleaner, and I will continue to use Seafoam. So I hope you enjoyed this review of this Seafoam Auto Marine Fleet motor treatment. If you did like this review, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video. If you want to help support this channel, please use the links in the description or scan the QR code in this video to purchase, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.
And she's the one to blame. Try to break me down, but all she did was spark a legend.